Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed Loom videos in GoHighLevel. This is incredibly useful if you want to add video tutorials, walkthroughs, or personalized messages directly into your GHL websites, making your pages more engaging and informative for your visitors. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start building out your website with embedded video content. Now, look at the left navigation panel and find the option labeled Sites. Click on it to open the Sites menu. This is where you'll manage all your website projects within GoHighLevel. Once you're in the Sites section, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll see several menu options. Click on Websites to proceed. In the Websites menu, look toward the right side of your screen until you spot the option labeled Plus New Website. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted with two choices for creating your site, either from scratch or from templates. For this tutorial, click on From Templates to get started with a pre-built design that you can customize. You'll now find yourself in the website editor. Navigate to the top corner of the screen where you'll see the Add Element option represented by a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding all kinds of content blocks to your website. Click on it to open the Element menu. A website object menu will appear as a left side panel. In the search bar at the top, type in video and you'll see various video-related options appear in the results. Drag the video object onto your website page where you want your Loom video to appear. Once it's placed, click on the added video object to access its settings. Now look at the right side panel where the video property panel has appeared. Under the element options, you can choose the video type you want to add, either upload a file or embed a video from an external source. Click the drop-down menu to see all available options. If none of the standard options specify the video platform you're using, select Custom Embed. This is where you'll paste your Loom video URL into the video embed field. Once you've entered your Loom link, click on Publish to make your changes live. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Loom video into your GoHighLevel website. This integration allows you to communicate more effectively with your audience through video content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.